New 3D print on the Creality CR-6 Max from a new YouTube subscriber. Let me know what you think. Only 2 days and 1 hour and 37 minutes for all this. Let's see. Oh snap. Do we need all that? We're going to do a little tweak. We're going to do no infill. Then we're going to do 3 shell layers, as you can see here, wall line count. And then we're also going to increase the top layers to 6 and bottom layers to 5 to make sure, since we have no supports, make sure that that all works out. Like and subscribe.